He and his accomplice robbed a passerby of $32 using toy guns. It was only because the lawyer claimed he knew the judge and could easily fix everything that the mother and son believed him. However, when the verdict was announced, they were stunned. The accomplice who participated in the robbery was sentenced to 5 years of probation, while he, because he was holding a toy gun, was sentenced to 20 years in prison.
Did you say 20 years?
Yes, that's right. Sit down, ma'am.
Annie angrily demanded to know what was going on, but the lawyer immediately denied everything, claiming he had never made such promises and that he had no power over the judge's decision. The last shred of hope for the mother and son was mercilessly crushed by this unethical lawyer. At that moment, Annie became helpless and completely unhinged. Consumed by rage, Annie stormed into the law office, pulled out a gun, and opened fire.
No!
She personally took down the bastard. The female assistant nearby was terrified out of her mind. She had never witnessed such violence before. But in Annie's eyes, this shaken young woman was the perfect hostage. The FBI immediately took over the case. The suspect, Annie, was a hairdresser who had raised her son alone. After the incident, she fled Philadelphia while holding a hostage. What conflict she had with her son's defense attorney and why she wanted him dead remained unclear. In police records, Annie had only one prior case, a charge of attempted murder 15 years earlier, which ended in acquittal due to lack of evidence. The limited clues available were insufficient to piece together her motive. With no other options, federal agents placed their hopes on the surviving lawyer. As for why Annie wanted to kill him, the lawyer claimed to have no idea. He insisted he had done everything he could on the case and had wronged no one. Faced with a barrage of questions from Agent Clareau, the lawyer's responses were perfunctory, as if the murder had nothing to do with him. Seeing that nothing useful could be extracted from this jerk, Clareau and his partner were forced to change direction.